bias tape and how to make it. Okay, so bias tape is cut on a diagonal so that it has stretch. This is useful when you're sewing around round things like your neck holes here. And you can see how I've done it here. I'm not very good at it, but I have done it. Anyway, so once you've got it like this, you take it and you line them up and you sew one long strip. So you've got like this. And see, you can barely see it, especially with the pattern. You sew up the ends like this, and then you start ironing it so that the edges are folded over. And then when you sew it, you're actually going to stitch in the ditch. That means you're going to stitch in the fold. And you're going to flip it over, which means that you get this nice look without any fraying. That's how you make bias tape and how you use it. Just make sure you iron the fold down really, really well, because it will come out on you.